What's up, Glam family? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me for my birthday / pool party. And yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. And my name is Simone, by the way, just for those of you who don't know. So yeah, this is gonna be a get ready with me hair and makeup, as y'all seen by the title and thumbnail. So yeah, y'all just gonna watch me fix my hair up and put on some makeup, and yeah, nothing too jazzy. So yeah, my birthday was May 22nd, so this video is going up pretty late, but you know, your girl was doing other things, so I just had to get this video up anyways. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and like I said before, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know whenever I upload another video, and just to stay up to date. And if you're not following me already on Instagram, it will be right here on the screen. And make sure you follow me on TikTok, because I'll be doing a little something over there, you know, just a little bit. But yeah, yeah, just enjoy the video, and I will see y'all in the next one. And thank y'all for so much for watching my videos. Y'all have gotten me to like 200 something subscribers, and I really appreciate that. Y'all know we on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so yeah, let me know what kind of videos y'all want me to do, because I'm gonna be popping them out. So just make sure you leave comments in the comment section. Let me know. I love responding to y'all in the comments. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Bye. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. To be yourself or play a role. Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off, or would you stay up? And if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again. I'm into you.
out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. There is only one for me. You have made it a possibility. We can take that step to see if this is really gonna be. All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Now what you feel, baby, undress you, babe. Open up your mind and test rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Now what you feel, baby, undress you, babe. Open up your mind and test rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. Nothing you has taken time, but I always knew you could.